Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the Widevine security level your content needs. This determines device and playback constraints. Once done, request access credentials from your DRM provider and provision a license server endpoint and CEK. Next, install required tools, Node, JS or Python, and OpenSSL so you can encrypt and package content. Make sure to register test devices early. They speed up validation. These steps get you past setup and into encrypting content, which is your next immediate action. Now encrypt the files using sync workflows. Choose MPEG sync for Dash or the appropriate HLS encryption path. You will generate key ID and put them into PSSH boxes so client players can request licenses. Use packagers like Shaka Packager or Bento4 to produce Dash and HLS manifests. Make sure DRM metadata is embedded. As you package, validate timestamps, bitrate ladders, and sample encryption flags. Once packaging passes, upload to origin storage and prepare license server integration tests. Finish by integrating the client. Use EME and Widevine CDM in browsers or Platform CDM for Android and smart TVs, then implement the license exchange flow. Create the challenge, send it to your license endpoint, and process the license response. Make sure playback sessions request keys and persist licenses correctly for offline if required. If playback fails, check one key troubleshooting tip. Inspect license server responses and CDM error codes. Mismatched key ID or bad timestamps are the most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.